In this quick video, I'll show you how to remove phone number from Google account. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to delete our account, it is very easy. For that we just need to open Gmail in our mobile. Now select your Google account, which phone number you want to delete. I want to delete phone number of this account. Once you select your account, click on Google account and now we need to click on personal info. Then scroll down here until you find phone. Now you can see this is my phone number. I need to click on it and now it will show you this page. Again we need to click on our phone number. I will click on it and after that it will process further. Now as you can see, you will see this trash can icon on the right side of your phone number. We need to click on that. After that it will take some time to load and now it will ask you for your passkey. If your mobile have any lock, then it will ask you for your passkey or your fingerprint. I will click on continue. After that I just need to provide my fingerprint to it. I will give my fingerprint, then it will recognize me. Then it will again get you back to the page where we can see trash can icon. And now if I click on this trash can icon, it will give us this pop-up where it will show you that removing this phone number might cause the functionality of some Google services to stop working. If you are happy with it, then click on remove number. Then it will take some time to update your mobile number, and there you go. I have successfully deleted my phone number from my Google account. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.